today? Yes, today Janvi is celebrating her birthday. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Janvi. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, friends. On Third Street, station number 3, in the city of Bhopal, and everyone affectionately called him Fakru. And when they want to tease him, they will call
Hmm. Frantic?
Frantic Fakru. Why? Because Fakru was very worried. He worried about everything, and when he worried, he called. He wanted run here, there, asking endless questions.
Okay, Ananya, you tried well. He would. That is, he would run here and there. You said he wanted. Okay, but well tried, beta. You will get 3 marks. Little fast you have to try. Okay. Okay, Ananya.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Keep it up. Okay, next. Arhan Mohammed. ये कहीं को निकाला है. Still, your friends are joining, huh? Arhan Mohammed, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Read the next page.
When the power is went off, he will get frantic and say, if there is no light, how will I study? If can I study, how will I pass? I fail. What will I do?
If I fail,
Hearing,
what will I do?
hearing this, his mother will place a lantern in front of him and say, Pakudu, you get frantic, but you never try to solve your problem. If he ran out of paper while taking notes in class, Pakudu will get frantic again. If there is no paper, on what will I write? If I don't write, how will I study? Hearing this, his friend Param will tear a page from his notebook and give it to Fakudu, saying, "Oh, Fakudu is frantic again."
Very good, Arhan.
Thank you, ma'am.
You'll get 5 out of 5. Good. Ketana Raghava. Unmute yourself, Ketana.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta, start reading. Next page. Fridge. There was a fridge, no? Page. There was no page numbers. Huh. You take out this page.
okay, ma'am. I take out.
I took.
I took.
Yes, yes. Come on. Read now. Start reading. One day.
One day,
Hmm.
the fridge in
Huh.
Pakru
Hmm. Try. You should try by yourself. How you know you read like that? I will guide you later. Come on, read.
house
Hmm.
stop
Stop.
working.
Very good. Very good. Ketana, now stop and read the sentence once again, beta.
On
One day,
one day,
the fridge in
fridge
in
Pakru
Fakru's house
house
stopped working.
stopped working.
Yes.
The
Now repeat after me. 1 second, Ketana Raghava. Listen to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Repeat after me first. Come on. Read again. One day,
One day,
the fridge in
fridge in
Fakru's house
Pakru's house
stopped working.
stopped working.
Stopped, you should not say stopped. Stopped working.
Stopped working.
Now you read that first sentence. You read now.
On
One day, beta.
one day,
Huh.
the fridge
Huh.
in
Huh.
Pakru house
Hmm.
stopped
Hmm.
working.
Yes. Very good. Now continue next sentence. The poor thing.
The poor they
Put finger first. Put finger in the book where I am reading.
the
Poor
poor
thing
thing
had been
had
been
been
through
through
repairs
repair
7 times.
7 times.
But
But
this time
this time
it
completely
It-
stopped working.
okay. You told your own sentence. That's very nice.
బుక్ లో చూడు మ్యామ్ ని కాదు బుక్ లో చూడు
Had BEN
been
been on
అవునా
through repairs. It broke it
నో
7 times. It broke
ఇదేంటిది బ్యూటీ
beauty. But
గట్టిగా చెప్పు మేడం
but
but
it
బుక్ లో చూస్తే నీకు చదవ వస్తుంది
THIS. This time it finally broke down.
okay.
Fakru ran to
నో
Fakru got
చదువు ఇక్కడ బుక్ లో చూడు.
Fakru he ran parents
Huh?
don't have money.
Very good. Sorry. Ritvik, Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit, yesterday you didn't practice no better reading. Huh? Day before yesterday and yesterday also you got chance to practice. Yes?
మేడం
Once
యాక్చువల్ గా
re-
చదువుతున్నాడు కానీ తనకి భయం వేస్తుంది చదవడానికి.
Okay. Let
Book
him
చూడట్లేదు.
continue. Let him continue once again. Rohit, I am going to stop my video because continuously you are looking at me only. I'm going to stop my video, look into your book, and then read properly. Come on, now read. One day,
One day, the Fakru
the fridge
on
ఆ?
in Fakru house fridge stop working.
ఇక్కడ చూడు.
The wouldn't be on the
had been through repairs.
to repairs it 7 times, but this time it finally broke down.
Very good. Well tried. Okay. So Sai to be Rohit Chaudhary. Where is he? Yes. Rohit Chaudhary, your score is 3 marks. Good. Next time you should get more. Okay. Now, Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashrita, start reading beta. Same page. One day.
One day, first page, ma'am.
No, you are not looking into the book, Ashrita.
I'm looking, ma'am.
Then read. One day the fridge, the same page I said.
Okay, ma'am. One day, the fridge in Fakru's house stopped working.
Stopped working.
The poor thing had been thought repaired 7 times, but this time it finally broke down. Fakru's parents didn't have the money to buy a fridge right away. They definitely
Decided
they decided to wait. Fakru was frantic. He ran to his father. How can I leave? Why?
1 second. Wait. Okay, Ashrita. Not
Okay.
right, not like that beta. Listen here. Now you repeat after me how I'm reading. Continue. Come on. One day,
One day,
the fridge in
a fridge in
Pakru's house
Fakru's house
stopped working.
stopped working.
The poor thing
The poor thing
had been
had been
through repairs
through repairs
7 times,
7 times,
but this time it finally broke down.
broke down.
Read. Now you have to read like that. Read.
Okay, ma'am. One day, the fridge in Fakru's house
stopped working. The poor thing had
Poor thing.
been the poor thing had been through repairs 7 times, but this time it finally broke down. Fakru's parents didn't have the money to buy a fridge right away. They
Decided.
they decided to wait.
Okay.
Fakru,
1 second. Okay. Good, Ashrita. If you try little, like 1 or 2 times, if you go on reading, no, then you can do great wonder. You can read very clearly. Okay. Little faster and clearly. Your score is 4 marks. And now Tanvisri. Yes. Come on, start reading. Yeah. You unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Huh.
which page?
Next page, you have to take Fakru ran to his mother.
That's where
Yes.
Fakru ran to his mother. When will we do?
What will?
What will we do without a fridge?
Ammi
Ammi, he wed.
wailed.
We will make one time,
Yes.
and if there are after flower
If there are leftovers,
leftover, we can ask our
neighbors,
Ammi.
neighbors,
Never
Yamuna Didi
Yamuna Didi
to
to keep it in her fridge.
her fridge.
Her fridge, said Ammi.
Yes, well tried. Good.
Ma'am, actually she is reading practice 2-3 pages, ma'am.
Okay, so these pages she didn't. Okay, so let her read this first page. I want to see. If you have practiced, then read fast.
Fakrud lived with his family on 3rd Street, station number 3, in the city of Bhopal. Everyone affectionately called him Fakru, and one day went to taste him. They called him Fanted Fakru.
Hmm.
Why? Because Fakru was a
Warrior.
warrior. He worried about everything, and when he worried, he get frantic. He would run there, here, and there, asking endless questions.
Very good. That's good. Only 3 to 4 words you pronounced wrong words, like wanted you told. Yes. Went, and tease you told. Okay. So these few mistakes, Tanvisri, if you practice little more, no, you can read very nice. Good. You will get 4 marks, beta. Good. Well tried, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Hayati. Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
Which page?
Read the first page.
tree in the city of Bhopal.
Hmm. Yes.
Everyone
Hmm. What happened? Hayati, read beta. Everyone affectionately.
Everyone affectionately called him Fakru,
Hmm.
and when they teased him,
Tease him. They called him.
they called him Frantic Fakru.
Okay. Next. Why?
Why?
Uh,
Why? Because
huh?
Fakru was
Hmm. Warrior.
wire.
He worried
He worried. He
He worried
worried. He
about everything.
about everything.
Hmm. And when he worried,
And when he worried,
he got frantic.
he got frantic. He
Hayati, you should practice more and more. Tomorrow again, I will ask you. The page 1 you have to read again. Today I'm not going to give any marks for you. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
come on. Start reading page number 1.
Fakhruddin lived with his family on 3rd Street, station number 3 in the city of Bhopal. Everyone affectionately called him Fakhru, and when they wanted to tease him, they called him Frantic Fakhru. Why? Because Fakhru was a warrior. He worried about everything, and when he worried, he got frantic. He would run here and there asking endless questions.
Very good. Children, everyone observed how she read? Yes? Wherever the full stop comma is there, she took a break and without stopping continuously she read. So everyone, I want everyone to read like that. Now it's time up, children. Okay, Janvi, you got 5 out of 5. Remaining students, still you have time to practice. Tomorrow there is a GA. We will not have any online class. So tomorrow and Sunday, 2 days, you got time to practice. You have to practice. And Monday again, I will ask the remaining students. Everyone should get 5 out of 5. Yes. Bye, children.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.